Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can join the Donut SMP on both Minecraft Java and Bedrock Edition. So let's get started. If you're playing on Minecraft Java Edition, open the game and click Multiplayer. Then select Add Server. Enter Donut SMP as the server name or use any name you prefer. In the server address field, type donutsmp.net, then click Done. Once the server appears in your server list, select it and click Join Server to connect. If you're using Minecraft Bedrock Edition, launch the game and click Play, then open the Servers tab at the top. Select Add Server and enter Donut SMP as the server name. In the server address field, type donutsmp.net and make sure the port is set to 19132. Tap Add Server to save it. After adding the server, open the side menu, scroll until you find Donut SMP and tap Play. If prompted, choose Download Everything and Join to install any required server resources. Once the download is complete, you'll automatically connect to the server and can start playing. If you're having trouble joining, make sure your game is updated to the latest version, double-check that you entered the server address correctly, and verify that your internet connection is stable. These steps solve most connection issues. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.